Right now, it's time to introduce you to a fellow I'm sure most of you are familiar with. If you've ever listened to the radio, watched television, or heard a phonograph record of almost any kind, you've heard one that was sung by this next fella. A lot of entertainers pass across our stage here at the Grand Ole Opry, but one of the greatest, in my opinion, is the fabulous Johnny Cash. We'd like to ask Miss June Carter to help us with this next song. She recorded with us. June, come here, man. Let's get the Statler brothers out here to help us with this. What do you say? The Statler brothers.
Okay,
have been
fine.
from Stanton, Virginia. Stanton, Virginia.
It's Stan.
June.
Here's Johnny Cash. Love is a burning thing. I hear the train a-coming around the bend, and I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. I'm stuck in Folsom prison, and time keeps dragging on. But that train keeps a-rolling on down to San Antone. 'Cause you're mine, I walk the line. I find it